Hey everyone, if you're having trouble logging into NotebookLM in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the most effective solutions to fix common NotebookLM login problems. Users may experience incorrect password errors, account authentication issues, loading loops, browser problems, or access restrictions. Make sure your internet connection is stable before attempting to sign in. NotebookLM uses Google accounts, so confirm that you're using the correct account credentials. Temporary glitches can often be fixed by refreshing the page and trying again. Log out of your Google account and sign back in to refresh your authentication session. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with the login process. Privacy tools, ad blockers, and security extensions can occasionally block authentication requests. Open NotebookLM in a private or incognito window to rule out browser-related issues. An outdated browser may cause compatibility issues with Google services. If the issue continues, attempt to log in using a different browser, computer, or mobile device. Sometimes Google services experience temporary outages that affect NotebookLM logins. If you're using a school or work account, check whether access to NotebookLM is restricted by your organization. Keep your browser updated, use the correct Google account, and avoid signing in through multiple conflicting sessions. A common mistake is attempting to sign in with a different Google account than the one used to create the notebook, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix NotebookLM login issues in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.